Introduction to Digital and Social Media.
Hey Gifty, you're early today.
Yes, Terry. I didn't know that today's class timing got pushed back an hour.
Is it? Didn't you get the information through WhatsApp?
Maybe I didn't check it.
Hmm. Nowadays, everyone has an account in some social media platform. Passing information is so easy. I wonder how social media reached such heights in a short span.
Hey, here comes our Professor Judy. Good morning, Professor. Hey, Terry. Why don't we ask Professor to teach us about it today?
Good morning, students. What is it that you want to know?
Professor, could you please explain to us how social media has such reach among people? We are eager to know.
Why not? With pleasure, guys. Tremendous development of digital media led social media to reach great heights. In today's class, let us learn about digital and social media. In very few words, digital media is content that can be transmitted over the internet or computer networks. Digital media can be created, viewed, distributed, modified, and preserved on digital electronic devices.
Professor, can you give us some examples to understand?
Examples include digital images, digital videos, video games, digital audio, websites, and the world's current craze, social media. In today's world, digital media has developed into a huge platform. Since digital media is the base of social media, its growth has helped social media to widen its wings. Social media as a communication tool has revolutionized the way in which brands talk and interact with their consumers, creating a two-way environment where the consumer is in charge. And according to the Oxford Dictionary, social media is websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. In more familiar words, social media is a collection of online networks where people go to express themselves. Generally, the social online community is a space where users can engage, share, spread, cooperate, interact, learn, and enjoy.
Professor, can you please list out few social media platforms?
There are currently many different social media platforms, with some of them being more popular than others. The different social sites and or apps have different functions. For example, think of Facebook like your home. YouTube is like Silverbird Cinema. Twitter is like your favorite hangout spot in Osu. LinkedIn is like your office. And Instagram is like an art gallery. Take a look at this infographic, which explains the different popular social sites using a sweet treat we all love, donuts. It's important to know the primary functions of each site so you can decide where you want to exist as a user.
Wow, that's a smart way to represent everything with an example of donut.
Yes, Professor. This gives a clear idea and differentiation between every site.
Good, guys. Now, just to make sure you understand some of the main social platforms, test yourself by matching the social network to the function described in the image. Did you guys match all? Okay, come on then. Let us check out the correct matches. Here, the correct matches are displayed on the screen. Now, you guys can see and correct your mistakes. Hope you all got everything right.
Yes, Professor. I got it all right.
Me too, Professor.
That's so great, guys.
Professor, are people aware of social media's necessity?
Yes, Terry. Now that we understood social media and its impact, let's talk about the current state of digital media and social media revolution. You guys would wonder why go social. The social media has created a revolution in a very short period of time. Here are some key statistics to note. People are now spending about 6.5 hours online per day, meaning that the world's digital community has spent a combined total of more than 1.2 billion hours using the internet in 2019. There are 5.1 billion unique mobile users in the world today. This is up to 100 million, that is 2% increase from the past year. And 4.39 billion internet users were there in 2019. This is an increase of 366 million. That is 9% increase versus January 2018. On the whole, the social media users in 2018 was found to be 3.48 billion users, with the worldwide total growing by 288 million. That is 9% since the same time in 2019. And 3.26 billion people use social media on mobile devices as of January 2019, with a growth of 297 million new users, representing a year-on-year increase of more than 10%.
That is a huge growth, Professor.
Exactly, Gifty. Nowadays, the world is shifting at a very fast pace to digital. Much of this year's growth in internet users is a result of more affordable smartphones and mobile data plans. More than 200 million people got their first mobile device in 2017, and two-thirds of the world's 7.6 billion inhabitants now have a mobile phone. People are now more likely to look up a restaurant or brand on social media than anywhere else. As a result, it's becoming more and more important for brands to be present and to partake in the social media revolution. As a brand, whether you're on social media or not, people will be talking about you. It is therefore up to you to be present and control the conversation. The displayed image is an example of people talking about brands online. Even though it's important to be on social media, brands shouldn't be on all social media platforms just because they exist. It's imperative to use market research to identify the brand's goals and objectives for going social, to identify which platforms will suit the brand best.
But, Professor, how to identify the suitable social platform?
That's a good question, Terry. The best way to decide which platform to use is to understand its functions and its audiences, as well as the brand's primary objective for being online. And finally, to achieve effectiveness, one should ensure the displayed personality of their brand. Conclusion. Okay, guys, let's wind up our session for today. How was the class? Did you guys enjoy it?
Yes, Professor. Today's class was very informative.
Exactly, Terry. Digital and social media are the ruling parties of today's world. Any information can be easily reached in nanoseconds to any corner of the world.
Yes, students. Both digital and social media keep the whole world connected and well informed. Okay, Terry, can you summarize what we learned today?
Sure, Professor.
Summary.
In today's class, we have learned that digital media is content that can be transmitted over the internet or computer networks. Digital media can be created, viewed, distributed, modified, and preserved on digital electronic devices.
Whereas social media, which is a communication tool, has revolutionized the way in which brands talk and interact with their consumers, creating a two-way environment where the consumer is in charge. The social online community is a space where users can engage, share, spread, cooperate, interact, learn, and enjoy.
The best way to decide which platform to use is to understand its functions and its audiences as well as the brand's primary objective for being online.
That's pretty impressive. I am really happy that you guys understood the topic very well. See you all in the next session. Bye.